Hello guys, I'm Rayan Cyril from Elemental Trading. I'll be doing the weekly forex analysis of the major pairs. So we'll break down through the last week analysis, overall order flow, and the plans for the coming week. So let's move on to the major pairs in forex. So first we will be analyzing Euro USD pair in 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that price clearly broke structure to the downward side, creating a key level here. So this was the first trading setup, that is this double top from the key level. Actually, it gave a good reaction to the downward side. This was a very good trade in the Euro USD pair. So moving on to the plans for the next week, here we can see price broke a low here. So it's a breakout structure here, right? Breakout structure to the downward side. So since it broke structure, our key level will be this area. This area will be our key level. So moving on to the plans, first we will be looking for break and retest of this low. This will be our plan A for the coming week. So this is plan A and plan B is double top from this area. So the next pair we are going to analyze is gold spot versus US dollar. Here we can see that price broke structure from this level. Since it broke, our area of interest or key level will be this area. We can see that it actually gave a good reaction from the key level side, giving a good momentum to the downward side. So this was the first trading gold spot versus US dollar. Moving on to the next week's plan. Here we can see price broke structure from this level. Okay, this is breakout structure. So our major key level will be here. This will be our major key level, and we will be looking for, first we will be looking for break and retest. Okay, break and retest of this low. We will be looking for break and retest of this low. So this will be plan A, and plan B will be D pullback to the key level. So this will be our plan B. What if price violates the key level? We will be looking for break and retest of the key level. So this will be our plan C. Next, we will be discussing GBP USD in 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that price broke a minor structure to the downward side, creating a minor key level here. So the first trading setup in GBP USD was double top from this key level, but we can see price actually violated this minor key level, moved a little bit, then came down. So the retail traders who traded breakout should have been trapped out here. See, this is a false breakout. So there wasn't much a good entry or a good entry in GBP USD. Here we can see price again broke structure to the downward side. So this was the second trading opportunity in GBP USD. That is, price broke this structure low. Then it gave a retest of this area. So this break and retest was the trading opportunity that gave good confluences. So moving on to the next week plan. Here we can see price broke another structure, right? So there will be a key level here. This will be our minor key level. Okay. So our first plan, that is plan A, will be break and retest of this structure low. This structure low, break and retest. So this is our plan A. Our plan B will be, this will be our plan B, that is double top from the minor key level. And plan C will be break and retest of key level. So the last pair we'll be analyzing is USD JPY in 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that price broke structure to the downward side. This is a major structural break. So our key level will be here. This will be our valid major key level since it broke a major structural low. So the first trading opportunity USD JPY was break and retest of this low. So this bearish candle is enough for that break and retest. So this was the first trading opportunity in USD JPY in 4-hour time frame. So moving on to the next week's plan, here we can expect reaction from this key level. So this double top will be our plan A for the next week, and plan B will be break and retest of this key level. So this will be our plan A and plan B for USD JPY. So thank you guys for watching.